Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to view only people who are ready for relationship in Badoo. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you're facing any issues, and in case you do not know how to log in, we have created a video regarding how to log in as well. This is the interface of Badoo. And what you want to do to only view the people who are ready for a relationship is simply go to Preferences. The buttons at the top right, it's like this. Simply click on it and this will open up. Well, all we have to do is change the filters. There are lots of options here, but this is not enough. So let's hit on more options right now. Once you're in the more options page, what you can do is simply scroll down and you can see something like Here For. Click on this tab right here. And it's gonna give you a few options like open to chat, here to date, or ready for a relationship. Well, as you want to only view people who are ready for a relationship, click on this tab right here. And it's also giving me an option like this that says see other people if I run out. Well, I don't want to change that. Let's simply hit on apply. Once again, let's click on apply filters. And guys, that's it. That's how you view only people who are ready for a relationship. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.